So I was on Facebook one day and I saw the STEM NOLA and I was like, oh my God, these kids are so cute. Like they're learning these hands-on activities, you know. And I've always wanted to teach kids the science and the history behind food, as opposed to just, oh, you cook this just to eat it. Because everybody knows, like, you know, we're from New Orleans. We don't eat to live, we live to eat here.
Made strawberry jam. We took off the stems off of the strawberry, and after we put sugar and lemon on it, and after we put it in the pot, and after we stir it up until it looks like this.
They're learning molecular gastronomy, which is something we use in fine dining restaurants a lot. Spherification, they're learning about pectin, they're learning about lactose and preserves and how these things grow in nature. So it's like a variety of so many different things to teach them, and these particular subjects that I chose for them are just like the basic. It's like the very root of what we do as culinary professionals.
Start to a little pattern, and you can go whichever pattern you want.